Okay, so differentiation in context. We've got a real life shape and we've got some information about that shape. So before we even think about the question, let's just see what we can write down about the shape. Cuboid. So cuboid I know means it is not a cube. The 3 dimensions could be different. It's got glass, 16 centimetres squared, so that's telling me the surface area. It's got a square base of side length x. So on your little sketch, we know the square base has got side length x and it's got no lid. No lid. Okay, no glass is wasted, very important. The glass is very thin. So basically, we can just crack on with this. We are told the surface area is 1600 centimetres. So 1600 is all the sides added together. So I know that includes the base on the bottom. Otherwise all the water would fall out. And then I've got these 4 sides. Now I don't know what height they are, so let's call them y. So each one of these sides here, these panes of glass, has dimensions x, y. And we know there's going to be 4 of them. So I've made myself a little equation with x and y. We are trying to show that the volume is equal to this thing. Now ordinarily we know that volume equals length times width times height. Okay, which is fine. So that would give us x squared times y in R1. Okay, that does not agree with this formula here. The one thing that's different is there's no y. So I have to use this one to generate a formula in terms of y. So quick bit of rearranging, 1600 minus the x squared divided by that 4x gives me a formula for y, and now I can stick that into there. So get v equals x squared times 1600 minus x squared over 4x. You can expand that out and do what you like with it if you wanted. Remember the x squared times everything on the top, or you could cancel it down with stuff on the bottom, so the x squared and the x on the top will cancel. So that's just going to give me 1600 times x minus x cubed over 4. Nearly got what they want. 400 over x minus x cubed over 4. Just dividing each bit by 4 gets what they want. Okay. Where did your marks come on that bit? 1 mark for, bizarrely, 1 mark for recognising that you're going to have m squared in there. 1 mark for this whole equation. 1 mark for substituting it in. You don't get a mark for this because you should really know it. 1 mark for rearranging it as well. 1 mark for substituting it in, and then 1 mark for your final answer. Okay, so you're nearly 99% of the time you're forming an equation with the information you're given in the question and shoving it into another one. So you're given some information about surface area, stick it into your volume one.